waking up feeling like it's gonna rain.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rata. I feel like I'm always just the same in all my introductions. I don't know why, but I'm Rata coming at you with another video. And yeah, I feel like I need to so I'm just gonna take it off just so that I look different, so I look brand new, okay, for this video. So this video is going to be a very interesting one. It is my first time going to church since lockdown, but my first time going to church as a student at school. Okay, I've never been to church in the city before, so I'm going to be going for the very first time. I had my roommate's friend invited me, so we're gonna go check out the scenery. Honestly, I just want to see and get the feel of church again. It's like a night service thingy. I mean, I've been to church at night. Like when I was in high school, Fridays and church nights were my thing. So anywho, I gotta get ready because at 5 we have to be out, and I also want to eat something real quick because yeah, we might be coming back like late, so you all gotta get fed. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna wear. So I'm gonna wear this shirt right here with these black pants. So the service that they're having is it's called a revival. I don't know what that is. I felt like googling what a revival means, so let us Google what a revival means, because I honestly do not know what a revival means. Church revival. So we're gonna Google that, church revival. But I'm not just going to a church that I don't know about. I've had a bit of an intro to what their church is about, and it reminds me a lot of my church. It just gives me the same vibes. So okay, so it says a revival is an awakening in a church or community of interest in and care for matters relating to the personal religion, an evangelistic service, or a series of services for the purpose of effecting a religion awakening. Okay, I was actually not expecting that. I thought in my head y'all, I go to church, and I used to go to church every time, but there's so many things that I'm starting to learn now. I just got to learn the meaning of home cell. I've always heard people say, I'm going to home cell, da da da. Good for you. Okay, never really wondered what it was until now, where I got invited to home cell, and that was the only time I wanted to know what it meant. What is home cell? What are you inviting me to? Same with the church revival situation. So yeah, anyway, let us get dressed. Okay, so I'm fully dressed now, and I look like a kid who doesn't know where the iron is situated. I'm gonna put on some contacts right now. I just wonder how the place looks like right now. I'm just trying to wonder, am I escaping to go to a proper sheltered place? Or because she said I should dress warm because it gets really cold. And I'm like, but it's hot. It's I'm like, okay, where are we going? This is yeah. I'm gonna put on some perfume. Okay, let's do a kid guide. Okay, we're gonna need a backpack. Most importantly, a backpack. Check. I think I'm gonna need some water. I'm gonna take this bottle right here, and it's black, so it's making me feel like a ninja and stuff. Oh, I feel like we need a snack. We need to take some snacks. I have some sweets here, so I'm gonna take some, and then I'm gonna put my bottle in the bag. I put the sweets in the bag, my bottle in the bag. I'm hoping the sweets will help me when I'm feeling hungry, because I'm always hungry. I'm always eating. Okay, what else? Oh, money. We need money. I think I have everything. Okay, we also need a Bible, because why would you go to church without a Bible? We have our Bible apps, but I think a physical Bible would be nice. I think that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna do this hairstyle. I've been really digging this hairstyle. It's kind of very simple. Y'all gonna scream when you see my hair. So I'm not gonna put on any makeup because okay, so they said that don't come wearing a dress, don't come with makeup on and stuff. I don't know what they're gonna be doing where we don't need to wear dresses and makeup, but I was like, okay, I respect that. I don't even have dresses where I'm at or skirts, so it was not really a big deal for me because it's not like I was gonna go there wearing those things. So for me, it was just that thing. I was like, okay, cool, good to know. Let me show you guys how I'm dressed, but you guys already saw. Like, so simple, like very, very simple. And I'm gonna wear white sneakers, and then I'm gonna take like a puffed jersey. What is a bomber jacket? Yeah. Okay, so I ended up doing this because I don't know, I just felt like that hairstyle was just not working. Most importantly, gotta wear a mask. I'm gonna wear this mask. I'll catch you guys outside. We got our sneaky bag already, and we just need a phone. We got some cash, we got water, we got a Bible. Okay. Yeah. We got some sweets. Yeah, we have everything. If we have sweets, you got it. Let's go. What you doing? What are you waiting for? Let's go. I don't want to overwhelm people with the smell.
Peace on the track. Gonna show my love for you. 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 Gonna show my love for you.
My first time going to church like this. So going to church as a normal person. I understand. As a normal person. I remember when I was because like in the altar room you come for like you're in probation for 6 weeks. You come 6 weeks early in the morning. You come, you go to the altar room, and you prepare, and then.
Guys, she came late. Let's start there. She came late.
No, like, cause like I get it, like she picked up somebody.
It is what it is. When it's tough, I go, it is what it is.
It's like she picked up people before you guys.
Really? Take them.
Didn't I tell you your style is a vibe? Look it. I changed my hairstyle.
Alright. I'll make it clean again.
Oh, let me.
How are you shopping?
Oh wow. But I see you next time. Church is finished. Where did she park? She parked right there, like where? At the end there. It's just that the thing is like there's a possibility that she's gonna wait us there. She's gonna wait for us there. Okay, let's go check if her car is still there, and then if it's not, then no, it can't be. No, it cannot be. It should be there. And she parked going too far.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so I'm in the car right now. Church just ended, and I tried to take videos, but no videos were allowed in the church. I'm looking a little bit busted. We're about to leave though, so yeah. So I'm back looking different. I tied my hair at the top too tight. And I was getting a headache, and I'm hungry. So have you ever been hungry and then at the same time you're getting a headache, and then like your hair is tight, like you just feel like it's madness? So I then took it down and then redid this hairstyle. So yeah, I wasn't expecting us to come back like so early, but I'm so glad that we did, because now I can have like my food on time and stuff, because I'm super hungry. I was gonna make chicken wings today, but I didn't have the time with all the tests that I had today. I'm making it seem like I had 10,000, but like I had enough to keep me like occupied throughout the day where I couldn't really do much. But anyway, let me go take off my contacts because I want them out. I just want to be with my natural eyes. So yeah, that is it for this video. I just had to film me going to church, you know, document my life right there, going to church in my student town for the very first time and experiencing like a different like vibe and atmosphere that I'm not used to, you know. Just experiencing that was really awesome. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe, because I would love you to be part of my family. And also turn on your post notifications so you may be notified every time I make my uploads. And I love you guys to the moon and back, and most importantly, Jesus loves you. I feel like it's so fitting to say Jesus loves you at this point, because I went to church, you know, like Jesus loves you, oh my gosh, and he loves me too. That's how it feels. But anywho, yeah, bye guys, bye.